Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm making a Jamaican dish, salt mackerel rundown with cornmeal dumpling, banana and sweet potato. If you want to see how I made this dish, just keep on watching. A big shout out to all my returning supporters. I really appreciate you all. Let's head straight to the kitchen now, guys. Our first step is to put our salt mackerel to boil, and I'm going to repeat the boiling process twice to get rid of some of the salt. We still need it to have a little salt, but we're going to get rid of most of it. And here are my seasoning that I'll be using. Here I have bell pepper, onion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, scallion, pimento seed. A full list of all the ingredients used in this dish will be in the description box below. Here I'm cutting all my fresh seasoning, and I'm going to cut those and set aside for later. In this dish, I'll be using 3 different colors bell pepper. In Jamaica, we call it sweet pepper. But you can go ahead and use whichever colors available to you or whichever color available to you. Okay, guys? Here are all my fresh seasoning completely cut. Here my coconut milk, my oil, my black pepper, and we're going to go on to deal with the ground food. Here I'm using green banana and sweet potato, and I'm also going to make some cornmeal dumpling. For the cornmeal dumpling, we need flour, cornmeal salt, and water to form a dough. And I think I have video up of me making dumpling already, so this will not be included in the video, okay? For making our dough, very simple, just add water according to the flour until we get a nice dough just as what's showing here. Cover and set aside for later. Now for peeling our banana, I'm going to add some oil, and the oil helps to prevent staining of the hands and also your container that you'll be using. I'm just going to core the side, peel, and we move on to peeling our potato. I already have my pot of water boiling with salt for boiling our grung food. In Jamaica, we call it grung food, okay? That's our banana, potato, and our dumpling. Straight yard style. As you can see, I have already peeled my bananas, and I'm going to leave them in the water for now so that they don't turn black, waiting for my water to completely come to a boil. As you can see here, my water has completely come to a boil. I'm adding my dumplings, after which I'll add my banana and sweet potato. Stir, off cover, and allow to completely boil, okay, or cooked. Then we move on to the other steps. Here I'm just removing the bones from my salt mackerel. Then we go on to complete the dish. Here I have a pot over medium flame. I'm going to add a small amount of oil so that I can saute my seasoning. Here I'm adding my seasoning and I'm going to allow these to saute for about 2 minutes. Then we go on to the other steps. At this step, I'm also going to add my scallion, thyme, and pimento seed. Then I'm going to add my coconut milk, allow to simmer for 5 minutes. Then we go on to the other steps. For the coconut milk, you can use a can or you can use your freshly grated coconut, but I did use a can. Okay, it's optional. Here I'm back after 5 minutes. I'm going to add my salt mackerel, black pepper, stir and allow to simmer for 5 minutes more, then we can serve. Now my rundung ready to serve. The smell in the kitchen, guys. Wow. And here you have it, guys, the finished product. Hope you guys enjoy this video and also try out this recipe. And for those that returning, thank you so much. And if it's the first time you're stopping by, please consider subscribing and join the family. I would really appreciate that. And please turn your notification bell on so you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.